In this video, we are discuss regarding the unrestricted file upload by bypassing the weak validation. So first, understand the many application allow for a files to upload for various reason. For example, uh, any PDF upload, image upload. So business logic on server side must be include the checking for acceptable files. So this is known as a whitelisting. So if, for example, if such check are very weak on only address specific, for example, file extension only, attacker can exploit this weakness and upload unexpected file types that may be executed on the server side. So first that we will deploy our VM, or it's already running. So make sure it's running at your end if you are doing the practical. So first we will check the OS mm, vulnerable web application. He is asking the password, so just enter the user. Okay, now check the DVWA security, just low to site term medium and just submit. Okay, now check the upload file option. Okay, so note page, here we can see that the image to upload, so here we are able to only image only. So first we will create any other file. For example, um, we have already um, okay, we will try with this. For example, okay, so we will check that upload file, desktop, and malicious txt file. Try to upload. So image was not uploaded. One minute, we will check with the another file. If is there any, okay, we will check with the any. We will check with this malicious Excel file. So let's check and try to upload that. Here we are not able to upload and showing that the image was not uploaded. Uh, so now we will check with the just by intercept, click on, just clicking on the intercept on. Okay, now we will try to upload again. Okay, just open that and upload. Now we will check the this response, http. Okay, so here we have to check that particular, so uploading, so content type and something. Okay, okay, we here is the, we are trying to upload this Excel file, malicious Excel file. So we are not able to do that. So we are just changing here image to, changing here to image or JPG. JPEG. Okay. Now we will forward this request and make off. Now we will check that. Okay, here we are able to upload the successfully Excel file. Previously, we are not able to upload that file, but we have intercept that request and change the content type format. Previously, it was a application forward slash some format, but we have changed it to image to JPEG. So after that, we are able to upload that Excel file successfully. So due to the weak server side check, we are able to easily uh, upload uh, upload file type of our choice instead of a specific image upload. So the application could only check the content types of matching image or JPG. So we have just changing the content type in our request. So which is easily modified by the any intercepting proxy such as a burp. So developers need to stimulatively widely smooth content as well as file extension in the application code to prevent this type of exploit from occurring. So if a developer so so this is all about how we can exploit the mm, any unrestricted. So this is all about the unrestricted file upload bypassing weakness validation due to the weak of server side checks.